Hi all. Today I will teach you how to earn 10% profit on Sell Bitcoin. In this scheme we will use Binance and bitmexc exchange. And trust me, the scheme really works. As you can see, the Bitcoin rate on this exchange is 10% higher than on Binance. This will allow you to earn money already at the first stage. The first thing we need to do is top up our Bitcoin balance. To do this, go to the wallet and click on the deposit. Here, select Bitcoin in the list and click Show Address. Now you copy this address and go to Binance. Since I am 100% sure of this exchange, I will start with the amount $5,000, but you can top up with any amount. This is about this much at the time of recording the video. The money was credited to the balance in a few minutes. Now all that remains for us is to profitably sell our Bitcoin on spot trading. Select Bitcoin and scroll down. Here we need to select our entire amount of Bitcoin. Finally, click on Sell Bitcoin. Great. From this transaction, we received over $5,000. Now we just need to withdraw them to Binance. To do this, go to Withdraw, select Tether USDT on the ERC20 network. Now go back to Binance to copy this address. Paste this address here and enter the entire amount. Finally, click on Withdraw and waiting the confirmation of the transaction blockchain. As you can see, in just one round, we have earned almost $500. I will continue to turn this scheme, and I advise you. Now I'll make another circle with $50,000. We follow the same method. So, I made over $5,000. While I was showing you this video, I wish you all good luck. Bye.